Hi, I'm Rich Loen from Loen.Design. Today, we're going to build a welding table. One of the things we like to do in the shop is weld stuff together. Welding is amazing how you can just connect metal like that. And one of the first things we needed to do was have a great welding table to give you a flat surface to weld on. And we built one with a whole grid of holes that makes it very easy for us to line things up and put clamps in and whatnot to hold everything down. We've evolved from having a plate of steel on a table and all various sort of temporary solutions, and it's nice now to have a table that is solid, heavy, square, and on wheels we can roll around, move to where we need it. So let's have a look at how we made a welding table.
Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to an overview of the welding table which you are watching us build today. This is Fusion 360, where I designed the welding table we're building. This is a 48-inch by 32-inch table, and it has these 16-millimeter holes on 2-inch centers throughout the entire table. We chose to use this tab and slot construction for the table. This is something we've seen at a number of the professional tables that are out there, and I really like the idea behind this. Makes it very simple to design and also to build. Everything sort of gets locked into place, and it basically made itself square. I had to do very little to actually square things up. Now, we chose to use Fusion for this so that we could easily modify the project as necessary as we made design changes as we went along and figured out what we didn't like and what we did like. One of the things I really like about this is the ability to use parameters to make changes to the entire project. You can see here how I have the plate thickness located in here, and if I make a change to this, it changes a large number of dimensions throughout the entire project, mostly related to these tabs and slots. Because these tabs and slots, obviously, they are related to the thickness of the sheet. If you want to see me cover this in more detail in the future, let us know in the comments below. I'm not sure how much interest there is in this sort of thing. Obviously, a lot of people out there use Fusion 360, but I'm not sure how much you guys want to see about this. Let me just show you quickly one of our drawings here, and you can see exactly what I mean by the parameters that I've used. So I'm going to edit this sketch, and what I've done here is I've used these FX. So this FX is the parameters, and it's telling it, for instance, in this case, that this distance here should be 0.125 inches in diameter, and it pulls that from that parameter file. Same thing over here. Things like the width of this slot. Again, this is based on the thickness of the material that we're working with. So this is a really powerful way of working inside of Fusion 360.
So one of the things that's great about a welding table is you have a grid of holes. We've done 16mm holes, and we machined up these little posts that allow us to just stick them into the table where we need them. And that way, if you want to have a perfect 90-degree, or in this case, a 45-degree, then we can just cook them like that. You know you have 45 degrees, and you have a clamp here. You can hold that down. Another clamp here with a post that fits right in these holes. We're ready to go. We've got something secure and exactly at the right angle we want for welding. And after a little grinding, we have a perfect weld. Well, thanks for having a look at how we built our welding table. We're really, really happy with it, and we know it'll provide us with thousands of hours of use here in the shop as we're welding everything together. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. We're really, really happy that you joined us today. Thanks a lot.
Dead sexy. Dead sexy. This is welding sexy. Here we go. Tiny bubbles. Well, pain is good. That'll wake you up right there. Boom. Ooh, that's a good sound.
That's definitely.
That'll wake you right up there. And welcome, everybody. You're now awake.